Guys, today I'm doing an unboxing of Mini Minecraft Season 4 Obsidian. Here you go, one again, they're about £4 I thought. I have 7, so that'll be, can't be bothered doing the math. So let's get unboxing. First, we get a mob spawner, which is a spider on fire. Right, then we have let's open it up. A skeleton wearing a pumpkin, holding a bow. Now we are going to have a villager wearing a red robe holding a emerald. Now we have a bunny. We have the slime stack. We have a sheared sheep. Take a look at my booty. That's the only booty I've got. A very good booty. Oh yeah. Okay, right. For the last and final one, we will have another rabbit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. So we got slime stack, 2 rabbits, we have a witch, but not a witch, a villager in a red robe holding a emerald, a mob spawn with a spider on fire, a skeleton with a pumpkin, and a bird, a sheared sheep. Guys, that's it. Peace out.